May buntag sa tanan. Kailan pa ko na ako? Gamay na kong buhok, no? Sige. To our distinguished guests, in my respect, City Mayor, Attorney Henry Waminal Jr., the Sangguniang Panlaliwigan, headed by our City Vice Mayor, the PNP, PIDEA, CSWD, from BFP, from Red Cross, from the CDRRMO, from the National Chaplains of the Philippines, from the barangay captains of the 24 barangays, and as well as their secretaries, and most especially, before I forget, to our DILG officer, may buntag sir, and most especially our graduating P-Woods from the 24 barangays. Welcome to our first community-based drug rehabilitation program graduation ceremony. So karong adlaw is an important event para kanatong tanan, most especially sa ato ang mga P-Woods. Today, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you all that kaning mga 24 ka barangay atong i-celebrate ang inyong isa sa mga dagko nga achievement, no, of our P-Woods. My heartfelt congratulations. Ako nalipay ko kay kamo nahumanta sa isa ka programa nga atong agian para mabuhi ta nga layo sa mga illegal drugs, no? Kabalog yun mo anak nga mo ginaato ang ginalaban. So, in the beginning, dili ta mahimong successful kung wala nato malampasan ang isa sa dako nga obstacle. Unsa man ni ang pag-akseptar nga kita mismo nga nagamit sa isa ka illegal drugs. Tama? Kita man tanan, no? Katong karon nga ni-graduate, ni-acceptan yun ni ngano na kaingon ta kay ni surrender man ta, ni undergo ta aning programa. So sa pag-akseptar, isa ni sa step nga magbago kita. So karon kaning pag-graduate nato aning programa, diri-diretso na ni sa pagbago. So kami sa LGU, sa pagpangulo ni Mayor Indy, together with the Ascenso team, we are so proud of you. Proud yun kami sa inyo. So, I hope as we are very proud of you, this will give you every reason in the future to continue to change your life for the better. If we all live and work together to fight against drugs, we will live in a safe, productive, and drug-free Osamis. On behalf of the LGU and the Ascenso team, together with the City Health Office, nagkuhanan programa, and the other stakeholders, the national agencies, we offer you best of life na wala na ning mga illegal drugs. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much, Dr. Hiromiro. Before we proceed with the rest of the messages for this morning's program, na aming video presentation nga ipakita sa inyo ha. Last year, the CBDRPO Osamis joined a Regional Documentary Contest. Ang LGU of Zambia